Chris Oren here, MarineMax Baltimore. We're aboard the 2019 Scout 195 XS. Starting here at the transom, we have a 115 Yamaha pushing this boat. It is a 4-stroke motor. Back here on the swim platform, you will see that you have a fold-down swim ladder, which is great for getting in and out of the boat when you're swimming or skiing. Come back here to this structure. This is your ski pylon. So it gives you the ability to get a line up here, get it away from the engine, and have water ski going, wakeboard, kneeboarding, etc. Come here. When you come to the, when you add this ski pylon, you also get a rear seat. So not only do you get the 2 bucket seats here, but you get a rear seat all the way across. Moving here is to the seat back, which is great for when you're cruising along, but you can pull this out and put your fishing rods in here. And then in here, you're gonna have your live well. Moving forward to the dash, you have your gauges from Yamaha. You have your Fusion stereo system. You also have a battery switch, which is nice and easy and convenient, along with your T-top with your T-bag. T-bag will allow you to put your life vest up here, and then you have your rocket launchers for more rods. Moving forward to the middle of the boat, you have ample storage here. If you did have small children that would require a spotter pot, you would probably be able to get one in there as well. Come here. This seat is doubled as a cooler, so you have the Yeti cooler on the bottom, and you then have snap-in cushions, so you get extra seating. Come forward here, have a nice casting platform with ample storage. You do have 2 grab handles for when you're riding along. And then finally, here is your anchor spot. Tucks away very nicely, keeps it out of the way, keeps everything very clean. Thank you for taking the tour of the Scout 195. Please give us a call, stop in, or check us out on our website. Thank you.